Welcome to EQAI Morning Briefing, where we dive into the latest news shaping our world. Today, we have a mix of economic updates, corporate earnings, and some intriguing political shifts. Let's get started. First up, the U.S. trade deficit in goods has narrowed in June, shrinking to $96.8 billion, better than the $98 billion that analysts had anticipated. This positive shift is largely attributed to a surge in exports, indicating a robust performance in international trade despite ongoing economic uncertainties. Shifting gears to the automotive world, Tesla's stock seems to be experiencing an identity crisis. While financial results show some turbulence, Elon Musk is focused on the company's future potential in autonomy and robotics. Investors are watching closely to see how these visions translate into market performance. In the renewable energy sector, Sunpower is facing challenges, but analysts at Raymond James suggest that other solar companies stand to gain from its woes. Interestingly, Sunpower's stock skyrocketed 25.4%, catching many off guard. It seems short sellers might be in a tough spot. On the IPO front, OneStream has priced its initial public offering above expectations, achieving a valuation of $4.6 billion. Backed by KKR, this cloud services provider for CFOs raised $490 million, adding to the excitement in the tech sector. On the political scene, Kamala Harris is gaining momentum as the presumptive Democratic nominee, with CNBC's Jim Cramer lending his strong endorsement. This shift in the political landscape is also reflected in betting markets, where the odds for Harris have significantly improved. In commodities, oil prices bounced back after a report showed a drop in U.S. crude inventories. This rebound comes after the lowest finish in 6 weeks, demonstrating the volatility of the energy market. Meanwhile, in housing, mortgage rates have dipped to a 5-month low, but applications fell by 2.2% last week. The lock-in effect, where homeowners are hesitant to sell due to low rates, continues to impact the market, especially as home prices hit record highs. In healthcare, Pfizer announced positive results from a late-stage trial for a new hemophilia A treatment, which could significantly improve the lives of those affected by this condition. This news represents a potential breakthrough in hemophilia care. Turning to the stock market, there's growing concern among investors about a recession and a potential bear market. A recent survey reveals a split perception of the economy, with many Americans feeling uneasy about the future. In corporate earnings, Boston Scientific reported a 17.8% increase in cardiovascular sales, while GE Vernova beat profit expectations despite facing challenges in their wind business. Conversely, Deutsche Bank's stock tumbled due to further losses in U.S. commercial real estate. As we look to the future, small-cap stocks are seeing a rally, particularly driven by concerns over AI and the potential impact of a Trump victory in the elections. This may indicate a shift in investor sentiment as we head toward November. In tech news, Alphabet's stock seems to be shrugging off an earnings beat, while Coinbase received an upgrade due to improving regulatory conditions. The crypto market appears to be reacting positively to these developments. Lastly, a fascinating story emerged about a woman dubbed the Gucci Goddess, who stole $109 million from the army and led a lavish lifestyle that included purchasing 30 homes and 1,500 pieces of jewelry. This case highlights the extremes of fraud in today's world. That wraps up today's briefing. Remember, staying informed is key to navigating these complex times. Thank you for tuning in to EQAI Morning Briefing. Until next time, stay curious and engaged.